Welcome once again to our channel. I remain my humble self, Rexsam, the solar doctor, your celebrity engineer, the only channel you can source every information you need about renewable energy and solar energy. Today, I am here once again to unveil a secret of solar-powered camera, which is yet to be known. Now, if you are new in this channel, kindly click on the subscription button. By subscribing, you will always be part of the community that enhance noise pollution free environment and equally help the society to grow by adapting to renewable energy. Like I said, I have an intelligent solar camera. I need to show you one secret that you've never identified with. For instance, we have so many challenges in placing cameras. How do I mean? Some people or clients never want their camera to be noticed by another person's whenever it is being installed. Now that brings us to a place of spy cameras. What are the functions of this spy camera? A spy camera is nothing but a camera that can be hidden to many persons and will only be made known to the owner or the person in charge of the environment. So most of the times it is hard for us to identify a reliable spy camera. For instance, you have your kitchen that you need children or people that are going there. You need to know what is happening there. What is needed there is not the ambiguous camera or the normal cameras. What you need is just a spy, something tiny that can be there and take video record of what is happening, the voice record of what is happening, and you can access it anywhere in the world. That brings us to the place that not only the kitchen, you are a boss and you have your warehouse. Probably you don't want people to know that there is something hidden that takes record of all the activities that happens within your packing store or your warehouse. For instance, when you have a lot of goods stored up somewhere and you normally send people to go and pick up part of the goods, you need to keep the proper record of what is going on over there when you are not there. So that brings the point that solar powered camera is one of the ways of maintaining security there and ensuring that all the activity that happens are taking proper record of. Like people will say, after all, I have my boys working for me. People that are giving me record, they're giving me details of what is happening. Yes, I know they are giving you details of what is happening, but with your camera, you can always access it anytime with the first-hand information of what happened there without a detailed report. Now, I want to unveil what spy camera is to you, and if you are watching for the first time, like I said, kindly click on the subscription button while I bring you the details of this video. Let's go there. So here is our spy camera, and the functions of this, as I said, is to ensure that it's not everyone that notices that there is camera over there. If you look at this camera, you can see that we have another form of solar powered camera. This is a solar powered camera as well, and this is another solar powered camera. Two of them are all intelligent solar energy alert, but there are differences that makes this unique. Now, the uniqueness of this camera is what I'm going to show you. If you're an installer and you never used it before, just by watching my video and going back to my previous videos, you see the method and the techniques that is required for you to do this installation on your own. Let me unveil it and show you what is in the carton. For people that have been thinking that it is only carton I'm showing you, I want to show you what is inside and equally describe the things that you need to do in order to get effective installations. Coming to this, as you can see, this is the solar panel for it. This is another kit for it. This is the hanger, this is the cord, and this is fishing peg that you can actually use to mount it on the wall or any surface material that you want it to be on top.